2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find child safety locks, power steering. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.